Government Enyambe maka na msasula sente zange sente yazikwata kibanja kiina yente yazigobamu tubona government tuduse bulwamu tewali kyetu yamba ekibanja kyange nenzija wa maka walimu advocate ye kamocha nendeta nemuwa sente enge na instade mu tropical bank eyembalala netuzijira we wano ku OSS Moro tropical bank na yorwo nganye ne nyumba jenzimba nenkwata milioni 7.5
at all.
So 75 million for use of land.
It was leased for 10 years.
Then the balance of 12 million still lease for land.
What is the balance of 12 million?
I'm seeing here receipt to M.KAMANZI and Co advocates.
I am not aware about that.
Nenzija yon cash mungalo na withdrawing a milioni 5 kwa bwe yangamba tisokompe iko milioni 5 mungalo. Nenzu withdrawing mu OSS Moro tropical bank nenzi mukwasa milioni 7 nizitambulira mu bank sasola ko milioni 7.5 cash nasigaranga mbanja milioni 12.
And again you start giving interviews.
Then you go into bogus claims.
Enakuzo mwezi musanvu ogw'omusanvu najja nangoba mu kibanja nalingenze ku church ya Sunday ngangenze ku kanisa najja n'abasajja b'emuwolo n'emigo ne OC wegombolola yafe police post Buremba bali bamweta Mwami Silva ne bagobe ente ne badusa abalunzi ne babakuba ente ne bazifulumya farm nateeka wabakumi abemuwolo abajambia nagenda kuva ku church nensanga ebintu bitabuse nenziruka ningenda Kazo awo nga tuvudde kiruwura nga tutuse Kazo ningenda Kazo ku district yalitana na district nsanga yo omusajja bali bamuyita Kinenekeri na CID aine banis ne tudduka tugenda kiruwura gwe twatuka kiruwura State Anthony na agamba guno omusango sente zino nyingi tetujja kugwoleza wano mugutwale mu high court CID na muguza kati guno omusango tugutwale mu civil oba mu criminal. State Anthony atugamba this is civil na yebucha nzigura ko musango ogwo maka tayatendinga ga court nenzurika ningenda mu State House maka ne bamuyita nagana nenzurika ningenda mu law council fundezi welako maka nagana up to now maka tagenda nga mu court ya high court maka tagenda ko mu law council bamuyita nga bamuwadena ku maka tayagenda mugundi mu State House kunyonyola ensonga ndiawo entezafa tezina attaka tezina amazi zagwawo.
Did she not tell you that case is in court?
No.
She didn't tell you.
She told me that she went to court, but you being an office of court, it's like you frustrating the whole process.
I will give you I'm sure as a journalist you can read the simple court documents.
Yes, I can.
I will even give you her lawyer's number. I will even tell you the date when that case is fixed for hearing, and I will also invite you to come and cover the proceedings.
Okay.
This. Please practice good journalism.
That's why I had to call you.
And I appreciate. Bad journalism is bad for all of us. Just